Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for an EIN for an LLC. Start by confirming your LLC formation is complete and you have the responsible party name and SSN or ITIN. Decide whether to apply online for immediate issuance or use mail, fax, or phone if eligible. Gather the LLC operating agreement, formation date, business address, and business activity description to complete the application smoothly. Decide on the application method based on speed and convenience. Online filing is the quickest option and typically gives your EIN instantly, while mail filings take longer and require Form SS-4 mailed to the IRS. Fax can be faster than mail in some cases, but depends on IRS processing times. International applicants without a U.S. SSN or ITIN often need to use the phone option and follow specific identification steps to complete the application. Avoid common mistakes when applying to prevent delays and confusion. Use the correct responsible party information and avoid listing an incorrect person or outdated SSN. If you own multiple entities, request separate EINs for each LLC to maintain clear tax separation. Keep the EIN confirmation notice safe for bank account setup, licenses, and state registrations, and update the IRS if your responsible party or business address changes to stay compliant.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.